Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. My YouTube channel is to promote home cooking as a way of life. In this video, I would like to tell you the 10 ways that I make home cooking to be a sustainable activity. Number 1, efficiency is the key. I want to know that I do my cooking as efficiently as possible without wasting any time. Number 2 is organization. It is important that I continuously make improvement so that my kitchen, my pantry, and my shopping are all effectively carried out, so I will have everything I need when I want them. Number 3 is the basic skills. Knowing how to do everything efficiently as well not only make the work easier, but it is also more pleasurable. I constantly try to improve every aspect of my skills, everything from kitchen skills such as knife skill, stir-fry skills, even cleanup. Number 4 is taste. I constantly try to improve the taste of my food. I know I want to be my very best cook because I'm the only one able to cook the food exactly how I like it. Number 5, economy. I constantly try to save money when I come to my food. I want to know that I can cook not only better, but I can cook cheaper than if I have somebody else to cook for me. Number 6 is flexibility. As I am become better, I can cook many different types of foods, all the way from a simple breakfast to a fancy dinner. I enjoy the capability for me to cook anything I want at any time. Number 7, fusion. My meal is never dull because once I have acquired the basic capacity and ability to cook different type of foods, I can start to draw the different ethnic origins and come together with a fusion meal. Number 8, creativity. Cooking has transformed into an art form for me, both in terms of my expression as well as my creativity. I enjoy the variations that I could create using the basic ingredients, just like an artist using the paint on a palette. Number 9, validation. Cooking allows me to create deeper bonds and relationships with family members and friends. I receive great satisfaction and validation when seeing other people enjoy the food that I cook for them. Number 10, I want to continue to cook because I would like to know what I put into my body. From the food that I cook, I know I'm investing into the future of the health of my body. So I ask myself why I have not cooked more often in the past. But like everybody else, I always feel that I don't have enough time to cook. However, we all know we will make time to do what is important to us. All is a matter of priority. Since then, I have always used these 10 reasons to help to remind myself it is important for me to cook and that I will feel much better if I do so. I also use this famous quote by Hippocrates: "Let food be thy medicine and let medicine be thy food." For me, home cooking thus far is a journey. I gradually gain confidence with time, even though in the beginning I thought it was a unreachable goal. For me, consistency was the key by doing it regularly, and by lots of practice, in time I developed competency. From that point on, I developed creativity. I start to experiment and improve as a cook. And now I have developed total commitment for home cooking, an activity that I will pursue for the rest of my life. At this point of my journey, I want to share my experience with other people because I have the full conviction that they will benefit from it as well. I would like to invite you to go on this journey with me. In the beginning, you will find it challenging, but I think all the efforts that you're going to put in will be well worthwhile. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notifications of my future postings. See you next time. Stay safe.